And look, I want you to understand something, sir.
Yes.
That as a citizen of the United States, and you're a public servant, you know, you didn't come up all aggressive and shit like most officers, and I appreciate that.
Okay.
But when a citizen of the public asks you to identify yourself, is that not your policy to do that?
No, that's incorrect, sir.
That's not your policy to identify yourself to the public?
Yes, to say that I am a deputy for the San Bernardino County Sheriff's Department, that is within
your
our
name
policy.
and your badge number. That's the policy, sir.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. Thank you all for tuning in once again, and I have another channel for you guys today. Today's particular video is brought to you folks by the way of this channel here. This one goes by the name of Zaybay32. In this video, he is stopped and pulled over by Officer Ochoa of the Riverside Police Department out of the Los Angeles area. There is a couple things I would like to point out from both sides of the spectrum throughout the duration of this video, so make sure you guys stay tuned. As always, I'm gonna want you folks to go ahead and leave your thoughts and opinions in the comment section down below. Let me know what you guys think about this one. I'll see you at the end of the video.
My name is W. Ochoa with San Bernardino Sheriff's Department.
Okay.
The reason why I stopped you is because you ran that red light at Adobe in 62. Then you're doing 55 into 35. And then you changed from the number 2 to number 1 lane without using your turn signal. You have a driver's license, registration, proof of insurance.
What's your name and badge number?
I'm sorry, I can barely hear you.
What's your name and badge number?
What's my name and my badge number?
Yes.
Well, my name's on the right-hand side. My badge number's on the left-hand side.
Is that what you tell the judge?
I'm sorry?
Is that what you tell the judge?
I'm sorry, are you a judge? Can I have your driver's
I'm
license?
not a judge,
registration,
but
proof
I'm
of
asking for
insurance?
your name and badge number, sir.
My name's right here. My badge number's right here. I need your driver's
I
license.
need you to
registration,
voice
proof of
that, though.
insurance. All right, sir. I need your driver's license, registration, proof of insurance.
Like, I can't really read, so can you tell me your name and your badge number, sir?
I need your driver's license, registration, and proof of insurance.
Okay, man. All right. Why you standing all back there, man?
Sorry?
Why you standing back there? Can't stand right here in my view?
I'm sorry. I can barely hear you, man.
Yeah, you can hear me, bro. You hear me just fine. This is registration, insurance. Here's insurance, license. So, Officer Oko, and what's your badge number? 2964.
Registration as well.
Okay. Officer don't want to identify himself. Mr. Right here.
All right, perfect. Do me a favor and stay inside the vehicle, all right? I'll be right back. All right, sir, here's a pen right here. You are getting a citation today. It's going to be for all 3 of those offenses.
All right, check this
It's
out
not
before
me.
you start. I want to know what you're talking about when I ran an illegal red light.
I'm sorry, say that one more time, man.
Before you start, I want to know what you're talking about when you said I ran an illegal red light.
Yes, on that right-hand turn from Adobe onto 62,
Uh-huh.
that light was red. You
Okay.
failed to come to a complete stop and then negotiate that turn.
I failed to come to a complete stop.
That is correct.
There's no sign on the street that says that I have to stop at the light. Okay, it's with my discretion.
Though this officer had a legal reason to conduct this traffic stop, this driver actually tries to justify making a right turn at a red light, which isn't illegal unless you do not stop, which was the initial reason conducted for this traffic stop. It isn't a crime, but is a traffic violation that could potentially lead to a serious car accident. I'm sure if some of you folks who drive a lot out there know exactly what I mean. In California, not coming to a complete stop at a traffic light or stop sign is known as the California rule, which would usually result in a $200 to $500 ticket. I guess we can't say that this driver was completely aware of that fact. This officer had the discretion to either let him go with a warning or a ticket. I'm sure you folks can guess which route this officer took. I'd also like to point out the big fuss he makes over identifying himself. Whether it be policy or not, I would think it's common courtesy or sense to let the driver know who he's speaking to, rather than display childish behavior on the side of the road. When officers are in the right, they have a tendency to act like this, but remember folks, your rights are still intact.
Okay, it's with my discretion. There was no cars coming.
Okay.
I turned. That's not illegal, man.
Okay. Well, we'll be able to go to court on it, and you can tell the judge that, okay? And I'll be there as well. All right? I need a signature inside the red box.
I'm not signing that, bro.
I'm sorry?
I'm not finna sign that.
Okay. By failure to signing this notice to appear, what you're telling me is you would like to be brought before a judge magistrate within the next 48 hours. In order for me to do that, today is Sunday, I would have to place you under arrest. I'd have to take you to jail, and then the judge magistrate will see you on Tuesday. Is that what you would like to do?
So you gonna arrest me, pull me out this car, break my glass, put your knee on my
No,
back?
I'm not going to do any of that.
Okay, so if I don't sign, that's what you're saying you're gonna do, right?
By not signing this is what you're telling me is that you don't promise to appear in court and that you wish to be brought before a judge magistrate within the next 48 hours.
Stop all that. What I'm saying is, if I don't sign that, you're gonna pull me out the car and arrest me, right?
Well, that's what you're telling me you want to do.
No, that's not what I'm saying. I'm saying I don't want to sign that,
Okay.
but under duress, under the cause of you're gonna arrest me and pull me out my car,
No, I'm not going to do that.
so I don't have
But,
to sign that then. I'm not finna sign that then. If you're not finna arrest me,
You don't have to sign this,
Okay.
but by not signing this, you're not promising to appear in court. This is a promise to appear.
I understand that,
You're
man.
saying that you don't promise to appear in court. Is that correct?
I'm asking you. I don't have to sign that
don't
because
have
you're
to
not
sign
finna
this.
pull me out the car, right? Am I under arrest if I don't sign that, sir? Answer the question, yes or no?
I would have to bring you to jail, so yes.
Yes, thank you. So I'll sign it, man. Come on.
I'm sorry, you confused me.
How is that confusing? I don't understand. I'm asking you, if I do not sign this, you're going to arrest me.
You want to be brought before a judge magistrate,
You-
and I cannot bring you to jail.
You twisting my words.
No, inside the red box. Inside the red box.
And look, I want you to understand something, sir.
Yes.
That as a citizen
Uh-huh.
of the United States, and you're a public servant,
Uh-huh.
you know, you didn't come up all aggressive and shit like most officers, and I appreciate that.
Okay.
But when a citizen of the public asks you to identify yourself, is that not your policy to do that?
No, that's incorrect, sir.
That's not your policy to identify yourself to the public?
Yes, to say that I am a deputy for the San Bernardino County Sheriff's Department, that is within
Your
our
name
policy.
and your badge number. That's
That
the
is-
policy, sir. And look, I want you to understand something, sir.
Yes.
That as a citizen
Uh-huh.
of the United States, and you're a public servant,
Uh-huh.
you know, you didn't come up all aggressive and shit like most officers, and I appreciate that.
Okay.
But when a citizen of the public asks you to identify yourself, is that not your policy to do that?
No, that's incorrect, sir.
That's not your policy to identify yourself to the public?
Yes, to say that I am a deputy for the San Bernardino County Sheriff's Department, that is within
Your
our
name
policy.
and your badge number. That's
That
the
is-
policy, sir.
That's not within the San Bernardino County Sheriff's Department's policy, no, sir.
That's not. Who can
No,
I
sir.
talk to? Who's your supervisor?
Who's my supervisor?
Yes.
It's Sergeant Lastra.
And you're in this jurisdiction down the street, right? Joshua Tree?
Yes, sir.
Okay, for sure. Am I done?
Yes, as soon as I give you your paperwork, would you
Yeah.
like it back? There you go. Drive
All right,
safely,
man.
sir. Oh, wait, let me give you a copy of that just to make sure. There you go, sir.
You need to talk to your supervisor about that policy, because that is y'all policy. Y'all need to identify yourself to the public when they ask. Your name and your badge number.
There's a California Penal Code that is a requirement that says that I shall have my department's insignia, which is right here on my right shoulder. I shall have a badge, which is right here on the left, and I shall have my name, and that's right here on the right. Now, there's a penal code that covers that, but in no penal code does it say that I have to verbally say that here's my badge, here's my badge, here's my insignia, here's my name. There's nowhere in the penal code. Our Sheriff's Department policy, our Sheriff's Department policy specifies that I have to tell you I am with the San Bernardino County Sheriff's Department. It is not
So they don't say
specified.
you have to identify your name and your badge number? Is that
No.
what you're saying?
No.
That's
And you can
bullshit.
feel, and
How
down
long you
in,
been with the force?
I'm sorry?
How long you been with the
4 years now.
4 years?
That's correct. You can
Yeah.
come down, listen, you can come down to San Bernardino City, okay?
Okay.
And you can talk to our public affairs, and they'll be more than happy to go over our policy with you. You're not going to be able to take it with you, but they'll be more than happy to share that information with you.
Okay, I'm gonna find
right.
that out, bruh, and you know,
Okay.
cause I don't believe you right. I think you wrong with that shit. You feel me? But thank you. Have a good one.
Okay, you too, sir.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, I want you to go ahead and leave your thoughts and opinions in the comment section down below. Don't forget that the original video and channel link will be down below in the description, as well as the comment section. Also, don't forget to let him know we sent you. I'll see you guys all on over in his comment section. If you guys also haven't yet hit the subscribe or bell notifications icon down below, I highly suggest clicking on those icons for future videos to teach you of your basic rights. I know both you and I would greatly appreciate it. Once again, thank you folks so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.
For you.